my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you what are all the products that I got from Nykaa. And yeah, all of the items that I got are during sales. I saved quite a lot of money and I'm happy about that. So yeah, before starting the video, if you are not following me on social media, go follow my ID @sass_e2. You will also find the link in the description bar below, and if you haven't subscribed then please subscribe and also press the bell icon. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first item that I got is Kara Nail Polish Remover Wipes, and this is priced at ₹100 and it contains 30 wipes. So this is how it looks, and this says it's acetone free and it contains olive oil and vitamin E. So one cotton wipe is enough to clean your hand as well as legs nail polish. So the next product that I got is this Neutrogena oil and oil-free eye makeup remover, and it says eye makeup remover, but use it on full face. And I haven't tried it before, and it says it's 100% oil-free, and this is priced at ₹3.99, but I got it on sale. I don't remember the exact sale price, but yeah, the MRP is ₹3.99 and it contains 162 ml of the product. The next product that I got is this VLCC Rose Water Toner, and this is priced at ₹150 and it contains 100 ml of the product. And I previously was using the Patanjali rose water, but that contains parabens, so I stopped using that. So this does not contain parabens, so yeah, I'm happy with that. Rose water is one of my holy grail product, and I cannot live without it. I use rose water every morning. I spray it on my face and it just feels so relaxed. So yeah, this is the rose water that I got. So the next product that I got is the Himalaya Herbals Gentle Daily Care Protein Conditioner. So I have never tried this conditioner, so I wanted to try this one. This is priced at ₹80 and the volume it contains is 100 ml. But I didn't know that it contains parabens. So yeah, I'm unhappy about that. I don't know how people call it natural product when it contains such harmful chemicals. Yeah, this is the product that I got, and for long-term use I won't suggest this to anybody. This is priced at ₹195 and it contains 20 gram of the product. So it has basically a gel kind of texture. So this basically contains all natural ingredients. The thing that I'm quite surprised about this product is that when you use this product, your lashes will start growing. Like I have experienced it myself. Just try this product and I'm sure you're gonna thank me for that. This really helps in growing your eyelashes, so that's a really good thing. So the next thing that I got is this L'Oreal Paris Chic Oil in Cream. So this is a product which you can apply as a oil. This is a mixture of various oils but in a creamy texture. I have already used it in one of my previous video. I'll put the link in the description bar below so you can check that out. And the MRP is ₹80 and this contains 100 ml of the product. So the next product that I got is the Stix Pro Hair Serum, and this is priced at ₹95 and you'll get 45 ml of the product. I have also used this in my previous video. In the same video where I used that oil and cream. So this is a very affordable hair serum, so people who doesn't want to spend so much on serum, you can go for this one. The next product is a makeup product. I got this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick, and this is in the shade Missy and Fierce. And I'm quite liking this. Like the texture is really good. Your lips will not be drying and the color is pretty awesome. Eat any oily food or something like that, like a proper Indian food, then this lipstick will not be there on your lips. This is priced at ₹4.99, so I'm really happy that Wet n Wild launched in India, and this is one of the must-have liquid lipstick. So if you're looking at lipstick under ₹500. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you use any of these products, then let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye!